Hello and welcome back. So now you know that the headlines are the eyes and ears of your body. They grab attention instantly and make people want to read more. But grabbing attention isn't enough. Next, you need to keep your audience hooked and make them feel something strong enough to buy. That's what we'll cover now in lesson 4, the science of storytelling in copywriting. Imagine you are in a movie theater, the lights go down, the screen flickers. The first scene starts, but nothing happens. No story, no action, just a blank screen. How long would you sit there before you walk out? That's what happens when copy doesn't tell a great story. By the end of this lesson, you'll know why stories make people buy, the simple formula for writing engaging sales copy, and how billion-dollar brands use storytelling to sell anything. And the best part is, you don't need to be a good writer. You just follow this step-by-step blueprint. Think of a story as skeleton of your copy. Your skeleton holds your body together. Without it, you would collapse. Similarly, a great story holds your copy together. Without it, your message collapses. Good story keep people engaged. Bad or no stories, people get bored very fast. Ever start watching a show on Netflix and suddenly realize you have been watching for hours? For example, Suits, Article, Game of Thrones, or I don't remember the name. Do you remember the name? If you do, please write the name below. And in case you remember the name just by looking at the character in the picture, then that's because the story sucks you in and won't let you go. Now imagine if your sales copy had the same effect, making people so engaged that they couldn't stop reading and had to buy. That's what we are going to do today. Every great story in copywriting follows three simple steps. The problem, show the reader their pain. The journey, make them feel the struggle. And the solution, reveal the aha moment. So let's break this down with a real world example. For example, our skin cream is great. It works well for dry skin. How do you think the copy is? Boring, no story, no emotion. Whereas, if I started like, Sarah had tried everything. Her skin was so dry, it cracked in the winter. She was embarrassed, frustrated. Then she discovered our moisturizing formula. In just 3 days, her skin transformed from flaky and rough to soft, smooth, and glowing. Now she finally feels confident again. See the difference? The second version tells a story and makes you feel something. And now it's your turn. Take any product and write a short story using three steps simply: problem, journey, and solution. Either you can have any product and just post it below with a short story, or you can just write a short story for this channel. That what is the problem that brought you in to watch the video? What's the journey and what's the optimum outcome that you'll get? Post your story in the discussion and I'll review the best ones for sure. And like always, as I've told you, I'll always make it short, simple. So you just learn that a great copy is all about storytelling. But how do you turn that story into a sales page that actually makes money? That's what we'll cover in next lesson. Until then, don't get fooled by its simplicity. Practice what you are asked to do so and just keep it like that. Simple. Thank you. Take care. And I'll try my best to post 2 videos each week. And I'll hope that you guys will practice. Don't miss out the 22 headline templates that we shared last time. And see you later on. Bye.